Okay, so what is the average value of that function on that interval? So anytime in calculus that you want the average of something, so you know a certain function and you want its average, just like we did when we knew velocity and we wanted the average velocity, you plug it into this formula, 1 over b minus a, the integral from a to b, and then you plug the function in here. So in this case, we're going to plug that in because we want this average. So b and a are 2 and 0, so 1 over 2, the integral from 0 to 2, x squared, x plus 1 dx. Now this is a no calculator section, so we need the antiderivative of this. You've got to use u substitution. So I'm going to let u equal x cubed plus 1. Now this is a definite integral, so these endpoints of the interval are going to change from x's to u's. So if x is 0, u is 1. If x is 2, u is 9. All right? Then I go du equals the derivative of this, dx. dx is 1 over 3x squared du. Okay, so this is going to be x squared square root of u 1 over 3x squared du. Okay, so the x squareds are canceling. The 1/3 I can bring out, so that's going to be a 6. The integral from 1 to 9. U to the 1/2, so I can use power rule. 1/6 comes down. 1, 9. Add 1 to a half, and you get 3/2, and then you divide by it, so that's 2/3. 1/6. I plug in 9. So 2/3, 9 to the 3/2. So guys, this is actually the square root of 9 to the 3rd. You could do it differently, but the 1/2 power makes it a square root, and then to the 3rd. You could put the 3 inside. It could also be 9 to the 3rd square root of that, but this is easier for me, I think. 2/3. Okay. Now, from here, guys, you've got to do some arithmetic. You don't need to do what I'm about to do, but it saves me energy if I just factor out the 2/3. And then that way I have the square root of 9 to the 3rd minus 1. If you feel like you might mess that up, then maybe don't do that. Just be more traditional about it. But yeah, then, so these are canceling, so that's 1/9. And then on the inside here, this is going to be, so the square root of 9 is 3, cubed is 27. So in here is going to be 26, and then divided by 9. So A.